Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure power and Bluetooth are ready. Plug or confirm at least a short charge, then open Bluetooth settings on your device. Power on the Beats Flex and observe the LED. Once on, press and hold the power button to initiate pairing mode. You need to hold long enough for the LED to flash or for the audible tone. Once you hear the tone or see rapid flashing, your beats are discoverable and you can move to your device to select them. Now switch to your phone or tablet and watch the available devices list. Tap the entry labeled Beats Flex. If it doesn't appear, exit and re-enter Bluetooth or reinitiate pairing mode on the headphones. If the accessory was paired to another device, make sure to forget or disconnect that device first so the Flex can accept a new connection. Once you tap Beats Flex, wait for the connection confirmation tone and the Bluetooth status to show connected. Then test audio. Finish by playing a short audio clip and adjusting volume to confirm both sides and mic work. If the connection drops or won't pair, power cycle the Beats Flex in your phone, then re-enter pairing mode and try again. If problems persist, perform a reset. Place the Flex in pairing mode, hold the power button until the LED cycles or an extended tone indicates a reset, then repeat the pairing steps. One tip: if you see the device listed but it won't connect, forget it in Bluetooth settings and pair from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.